The question says Cu2 plus will have the following electronic configuration. Okay, we have to determine the electronic configuration for Cu2 plus. Okay, copper is there. We can write the electronic configuration for coppers. First of all, its atomic number is what? 29 is there. 29. Okay, we start writing electronic configuration. This is what? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and 4s2, and this is what? 3d9 is there. In general, this is the electronic configuration we are supposed to have. But now we can see if d orbital is gaining one electron, it will be completely filled, then it will be in the stable states. So what happens? D orbital pulls electron from the s orbital to be in the stable state. So it will carry one electron, it carries 10 electron. This is known as half fill, no sorry, completely fill rule. Okay, copper, silver, gold. In these three elements we apply completely fill rule. Okay, this is the electronic configuration we have. Now we have Cu2 plus. We have Cu2 plus. It is losing how many electron? 2 electron. Always keep in mind, loss of electron is done from the s orbital and gain of electron is done from the d orbital in case of d block elements. Okay, but problem is that you can see in the outermost shell 4s is there, in which we have only one electrons. So first of all, it will lose one electron from here, and next another electron it will lose from the d orbital. Okay, keep in mind, you cannot see it as a d block element, so loss of electron will be taking place from the d orbital. No, it is incorrect. Okay, in case of d block elements, you should remove the electron from the s orbital, outermost s orbital, then from the d orbital. Okay, that's why we say loss of electron they do from the s orbital, gain of electron they do from the d orbital. Okay, so since they are losing how many electrons? 2 electrons, one electron from here, then one electron from here. So ultimately this electronic configuration will get reduced to 3d9 is there. 3d9, 2 electrons we removed. First of all, you cannot remove 2 electrons from here, then you write 3d8. That is incorrect. Okay, so overall electronic configuration we get for Cu2 plus 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and this is what? 3p6, and 3d9 is there. 3d9. Always remove electron from the s orbital followed by d orbital. Any such option you can see, we have 3s2, 3p6, 3d9. Option C is correct. We have option C. This is the electronic configuration for Cu2 plus. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.